These are my football predictions for you today. We have a game in Portugal Division 1 where Boavista Porto is taking on Pacos Ferrari. And my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Northern Ireland where Bolimachilad is taking on Annan United. And my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Czech Republic where OK Kaskovic is taking on OFK Abanik Lohita, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Italy Serie C where ACR Messina is taking on Calcio Foggia, and my prediction is away team or both team to score. And the next one we have is a game in France National League where Rodex Aveyron is taking on OGC Nice, and my prediction is both team to score at full time. The next one we have is in Georgia where St. George City is taking on Bracktown City, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Scotland League 1 where Annan Athletic is taking on Kelty Heart, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Denmark where AGF Aarhus is taking on Kolding, and my prediction is both teams to score at full time. Moving on to England Amateur League, we have a game between Tiverton Town taking on Hanwell Town, and my prediction is away team over 1.5 goals. Then the last game we have is in Russia League 1 where FC Tumen is taking on FC SK Khabarov, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals at full time. That gives us a total of 10 matches, 146 or 2. Good luck, guys. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. Okay, guys. If you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share this video with your friends, and drop where you are watching us from in the comment section. Thank you so much. I will see you guys after the game.